The planetary guides grant the highest precision in metal rolling. In contrast to standard designs, our MCB plate rolls utilize a unique planetary actuation system for the side rolls. This means instead of moving up and down, the side rolls orbit around a fixed pivoting point. This mechanism offers several significant benefits. First, leverage arm effect. By maximizing the distance between the pivoting point and the point where the cylinder force is applied, our machines harness a force multiplier effect. This allows for increased bending power without additional strain. Second, reduced top-roll deflection. The circular force application ensures minimal deflection of the top roll, enhancing the precision with which the plate is formed. Third, tight diameter forming. The side roll's ability to wrap around even the smallest diameter facilitates the forming of the tightest possible diameters. This approach increases performance and improves the efficiency and quality of the bending process, allowing the formation of tight diameters with great accuracy.